Hello everybody, I wanted to do a quick little tutorial how I clean my Vitamix. As you can see, it's pretty dirty, so is the lid. So this is everything that I have to use. I use a little bit of dishwashing soap, and I got my little scrubby brush after I put it in there, so here we go. So now I'm just going to put a little bit of water in here. I usually kind of turn it around the side a little bit. I usually fill it about maybe like a quarter full, maybe a little bit more than a quarter. Okay, now I just like to put this here on top of the base, and I'm going to put just a little bit of the dishwashing detergent, and it does not take that much. So go ahead and place that in there. Go ahead and close the lid. We're going to go ahead and just turn it on low for a little bit, and as you can see, it's going to start getting foamy. Then I'm going to turn it up on high. It was on variable, but now I'm going to turn it on high. As you can see, it's not going all the way to the top. So for it to do that, you may want to, I'm going to put a little bit more water. Let's turn it off. I'm going to turn it down. Add a little bit more water to it. So instead of filling it about a quarter full, fill it up about a little bit more than halfway. Okay, let's go ahead and start it out on low. Let's turn it up. Turn it up on high. Start to see it kind of in there. Let it run for maybe like less than a minute or so. Take the lid off. Now I usually take it, I'll pour it out, all the soap out. I'm gonna grab this long brush that I got. This thing is super handy. You can like stick it down in bottles and stuff, but I usually will turn the water on. And then I usually take this brush, and I just like to just go over all of the sides in case anything is stuck, just to get all of that little bit of debris that was there on the edges. And it's better to do this right after. Don't let it set, because I know before I learned that the hard way. I let it set, and I took a lot of scrubbing to get it clean. So usually kind of get it all up in there. Okay. Let it go around outside. Super clean. I'll turn it upside on the rack here. Set out. And then I usually grab my lid, and it sees a little bit of soap in there. I usually take that, and I just go around the edges, just like that. And then the top part, you turn it, and then it just comes out. And make sure you get all the food off of that. Nice and clean. Now, as you can see, got it all clean. The inside looks great. Super easy. I love my Vitamix. I hope to inspire, motivate, and help you to create. Thank you for watching.